Alright guys, this is my review of the Supstable handheld electric chainsaw. This was gifted to me by a family member, and this is everything that it comes with. There's the saw itself, a screwdriver, a 6-inch chain, a 6-inch bar, an 8-inch bar, which is currently installed, an 8-inch chain, 2 batteries, a charger, which is not shown here, a pair of safety glasses. Let's see if they're rated properly. There it is. Comes with a 6-inch guard, like on the 8-inch bar, and this replacement for that, as well as a side handle, which I do not have installed. When you pick the saw up, it's fairly light. You do have to put bar and chain oil in it. But yeah, I've cut some stuff with it. We'll cut away to that. And this is the pile of wood I was able to cut with this tool, with one full battery and about a quarter. So with all of that, the Supstable portable handheld chainsaw, battery powered, it seems like it'd be useful for people that are clearing shooting lanes, or trying to get into a place, make a place to fish along a pond or something. Obviously, you have to be careful what you're cutting and make sure that you're not breaking any laws or doing anything you shouldn't be doing when you are cutting. But if you're allowed to cut stuff, this certainly will do the job for light tasks before you have to break out a real saw. The battery life is very good compared to a lot of saws that I have used and seen people use. And this little kit, oh, I forgot to mention, it even comes with a safety glove. So that's pretty cool. That being said, if you're in the market for something, this is definitely a viable option. You guys have a good one.